myself. I am Selesai Putri from class 1B. I will explain my opinion about not being allowed to smoke on campus. In my opinion, smoking in campus areas should not be allowed. A campus is a place for studying and building positive character, not for harmful habits. Smoking danger not only for the smoker but also for others who inhale the smoke. It also makes the environment dirty and uncomfortable. Therefore, the campus should be a smoke-free area to keep it clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. I will explain the simple present tense. Here there is introduction. The simple present tense is used to talk about actions that happen regularly, things that are true all the time, or situations that are permanent. It is called simple because the structure is very basic, and present because it describes things that happen in the current period or rapidly. Okay, next definition. The simple present tense describes actions that happen regularly, facts that are always true, or situations that are generally permanent. Example: I go to school every day. The sun rises in the earth. Next, this is main pension, to express habits or routines, to state general truth or facts, to describe permanent situation, to show schedule or introduction. Next, this is affirmative stanza. Formula: subject plus verb 1 can be added with s or s plus object or complement. Explain: I play football every weekend. She reads a book before sleeping. Remember, if the subject is he, she, or it, you must add s or s to the verb. Next, this is spelling rules. Spelling rules for verbs. Add s or s if the subject is he, she, or it. Explain: go becomes goes, watch become watches, study becomes studies, walk becomes walks. Next, this is negative tense formula: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Explain: I don't play football. He doesn't like milk. Do is used for I, you, we, they, or while. Does is used for he, she, it. Next, this is important note. When using does not, doesn't, the main verb returns to its base form or without s. Correct. He doesn't eat rice. Wrong. He doesn't eat rice. This is a common mistake among English learners, so be careful with the verb form. Next, this is interrogative tense formula: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object or complement plus question. Example: do you like coffee? Does he live in Tasikmalaya? In question, the essentially do or does comes before the subject. Next, this is short answer. Short and polite answers are often used in everyday conversation. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Using short answer makes your response sound natural and fluent in English. Next, this is use one habit or routine. The simple present tense describes activities that happen regularly or repeat daily. Explain, I brush my teeth every morning. She goes jogging on Sundays. We study English every day. Common adverb always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Next, user to general truth or facts. We also use the simple present to express general truth or scientific facts that never change. Examples: the Earth orbits the Sun. Weather boil at 100 Celsius. The sky looks blue a sunny day. These statements are always true no matter the time or place. Next, user 3. Permanent situation. When something is constant or does not change often, we use the simple present. Express, he lives in Bandung. My father works in a bank. They have 2 children. The situation above are permanent, not temporary. Next, this is used for schedule and introduction. The simple present is often used for timetable, official program, or giving instruction. Examples: the train leaves at 8 a.m. The class starts at 7 o'clock. Open your book, please. Even if the action will happen in the future, the schedule is fixed, so we use the simple present. Next, this is common time expression. Here are some time expressions often used with the simple present. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Every day, every week, every month. On Mondays, on weekends, in the morning, in the evening. Explain, she usually studies English at night. Next, this is comparison table. You can see a table here. Notice how the main verb always stays in its base form, except in the affirmative form for he, she. Next, this is common verb in the simple present. Some verbs frequently appear in the simple present. Examples: go, come, play, read, eat, drink, study, work. State verbs like club, have, now, have, believe, need. Example: I like music. She believes in health. They work very hard. Next, this is common verb in the simple present. Some verbs frequently appear in the simple present. Examples: go, come, play, read, eat, drink, study, work. State verbs like club, have, now, have, believe, need. Example: I like music. She believes in health. They work very hard. Next, this is common mistakes. Here are some common error and correction. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. Do he play football? Does he play football? Always check the subject and use the correct auxiliary verb or do or does. Next, the last one, conclusion. The simple present is used to express habit and routines, facts and general truth, permanent situation, schedule and introduction. Remember, use do or does for negative and question. Add s or s when the subject is he, she, or it. Practice daily to use this tense naturally in conversation.